Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Cairns. For your own safety and comfort, it is important that you remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the captain turns out the fasten seatbelt sign. Today we'll be using the forward door to disembark. If your mobile phone is within reach, you may now switch it on. However, your seatbelt must remain fastened. All other electronic devices must remain switched off until you're well inside the terminal building. Smoking is definitely not allowed as you disembark the aircraft all throughout the airport buildings. And take care when opening overhead lockers as bags may move during the flight. And remember to check your seat pocket for any personal items. Jetstar is pleased to announce that they budget offer special car rental rates to Jetstar customers. Just mention you are a Jetstar customer at the Airbus or budget car rental desk in the airport to receive discounted car rental rates. In addition, Qantas frequent flyer members can earn frequent flyer points. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Captain Kendish and the crew, I'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with Jetstar. It's been a pleasure having you with us and bringing you to Cairns. We look forward to seeing you again next time you fly. And once again, just a reminder to remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the captain has turned on the fasten seatbelt sign. Thank you and good afternoon.
Just see where he gets the job.
Cabin crew to
That was happening. Yeah, it's hard, isn't it? Yeah, very hard. Yeah. I think 36 now, we're going to say 31 then, so it was hard. Yeah, very hard. They were really close to my husband's really fit and he was, he wrote a board and all that stuff as well, so I was so scared. I was so scared on a board. Yeah, that's right, really. Yeah, always scared and always, yeah, unlucky. But always scared and always